Hello everyone, welcome to GIS ePathshala. So today we are going to start our exercise number 2.4. So exercise 2.4, question number 1. Determine which of the following polynomials has x plus 1 a factor. So we have to find that x plus 1 is a factor of given polynomial or not. So for that, first of all, we have to find the value of x from this x plus 1. So x plus 1 is equal to 0. Then plus 1 is going to right hand side, so it become minus 1. So value of x is equal to minus 1. And this value of x is equal to minus 1, we have to put in the given polynomials, and if the answer is 0, so we can say that x plus 1 is a factor of given polynomial. If the answer is not 0, so it proves that x plus 1 is not a factor of given polynomial. So let me start from example number 1. Example number 1, x plus 1 a factor. First polynomial, x cube plus x square plus x plus 1. So in this, p of minus 1. So in place of x, we have to put minus 1. So minus 1 cube plus minus 1 square plus minus 1, 1. So here minus 1 is there and power is odd, so answer is minus 1. Minus 1 is there, power is even, so answer is plus 1. So here plus 1, so plus minus 1 and plus 1. So here minus 1 plus 1 cut, minus 1 plus 1 cut, so answer is 0. So this given polynomial is, in this, x plus 1 is a factor of the polynomial. Now this way we have to solve for 2, 3, 4. So let me see for question number 4. X cube minus x square minus in bracket 2 plus under root 2 x plus root 2. So in place of x we have to put minus 1. So here first of all p of minus 1, I wrote the polynomial, then in place of x let I write down minus 1. Minus 1 cube minus 1 square minus 2 minus 1 minus under root minus 1 minus, okay, from these both, here under root 2x plus under root 2. So from this both I took under root 2 as a common, so in bracket x, and if I took minus as a common, so here minus 1. So in place of x I wrote minus 1, so minus 1 minus 1. So here answer minus 1 square, so 1 and minus is there, so minus 1 minus minus plus 2 minus under root 2 minus minus 2 minus minus plus, so 1 plus 1 2. Now let me remove the bracket, minus minus plus, so 1 plus 1 minus 2 plus 2 minus minus become plus, and 2 root 2 minus 2 plus 2 cut, so answer is 2 root 2. So answer is not 0. So we can say that x plus 1 is not a factor of this polynomial. Okay friends, so this way you have to solve these questions in question number 1, 2 and 3. Try it by yourself. Question 2, use the factor theorem to determine whether g of x is a factor of p of x in each of the following cases. Different cases are given and we have to put the value of x in the given polynomial. So let me see. First number, p of x is equal to 2x cube plus x square minus 2x minus 1, and g of x is equal to x plus 1. So first of all we have to do g of x is equal to 0. So x plus 1 is equal to 0. So value of x is equal to minus 1. So this value of x is equal to minus 1 we have to put in this polynomial, and if the answer is 0, then we can say that g of x is a factor of p of x. So let me see. Here I wrote p of x and g of x plus 1. So x is equal to minus 1 from g of x. Now p of x is equal to 2x cube plus x square minus 2x minus 1. Now in place of x we have to write minus 1. So 2 minus 1 cube plus minus 1 square minus 2 in bracket minus 1 minus 1. 2 minus 1 plus 1 plus 2 minus 1. 2 ones are 2 plus minus minus. Minus 2 plus 1 plus 2 minus 1. So minus 2 plus 2 cancel. Plus 1 minus 1 cut. So answer is 0. So we can say that x plus 1 is a factor of 2x cube plus x square minus 2x minus 1. In short, also we can say that g of x is a factor of p of x. So this way you have to solve question number 2 and question number 3 by yourself. In this both value of x, in this value of x is equal to minus 2 and in this value of x is equal to 3. This value of x you have to put in this equation, and if the answer is 0, so you can say that g of x is a factor of p of x, and if answer is not 0, so you have to say that g of s is not factor of p of x. Now let me see question number 3. Question number 3, find the value of k. We have to find the value of k if x minus 1 is a factor of p of x in each of the following cases. So x minus 1 is a factor, so value of x is equal to plus 1. So p of x is equal to x square plus x plus k. In this we have to put p of 1 in place of x, we have to write down 1. So let me see how to solve these sums. Find k. X minus 1 is a factor of p of x, so x value x is equal to 1. So p of x is equal to x square plus x plus k. P of 1 is equal to 1 square plus 1 plus k is equal to 0. So first of all, what we have to do, we have to take p of x is equal to 0. Then p of 1 we have to write down is equal to 0. Now p of 1 here, p of 1 write down here 1 square plus 1 plus k is equal to 0. 1 square 1, 1 plus k 0. 1 plus 1 2 plus k, so k is equal to minus 2. This way you can find the value of k. Now question number 2, direct I wrote 2x square plus kx plus under root 2 is equal to 0. In place of x I wrote 1, so 2 1s are 2, k under root 2 is equal to 0. Now k is equal to this root 2 is going to right hand side, so it become minus under root 2, and plus 2 is going to right hand side, so it become minus 2. So minus 2 minus root 2. From this both we can take minus 1 common, so minus from this both minus 1 is common, so in bracket 2 plus under root 2. So this way you have to solve the remaining question by yourself. Very easy questions are there. Now let me see question number 4. Factorize. We have to factorize the given polynomial. 4 sums are there. Let me start question for sum number 1. Question number 4. First of all, 12x square minus 7x plus 1. So first of all we have to see it is in descending order. Big power 2 1 0. So first of all, first and second last we have to multiply these both. 12 ones are 12, and we have to find the factor of 12. 6 2s are 12, 4 3s are 12. 6 plus 2 8. So it is here 8 is not there. 6 minus 2 4. 4 is not there. Now 4 and 3. 4 3s are 12. So 4 plus 3 7. So here 7 is there. So in place of 7 we have to put minus 4x minus 3x. So minus minus become plus. So minus 7x is the answer. Now it is the which it is splitting the middle term identity. Okay. So now do the pair of the 2 from these both we can take 4x as a common. 4 3s are 12. So in bracket 3x minus 4x is common, nothing is left 1. And from this we can take minus 1 as a common. So if we take minus 1 common, so in bracket 3x, and in place of plus minus sign will be there because minus 1 we took common. So here 2 pairs, 4x minus 1 and 3x minus 1 is the answer. Now next 6x square minus 5x minus 6. So multiplication of first and last, 6 6 are 36. Find the factors of 36. So first factor 6 6 are 36. another 9 4s are 36, and so 9 plus 4, so it is 13, and 9 minus 4 is equal to 5. So here 5 is there, so in place of 5x we have to write down 9x and 4x, so 9x minus 4x. Now do the pair of 2 so from this take 2 we can take common 3x, so 3 2s are 6, 3 3s are 9, so 2 and 3. So in bracket 3 2x plus 3, and from this both we can take minus 2 as a common. If we took minus 2 as a common, so in bracket 2x plus 3. Now 3x minus 2 and 2x plus 3 is the answer of the given polynomial. Now question number 4, 3x square minus x minus 4. So 4 3s are 12, and 4 minus 3 1. So here 1x is there. So minus 4x plus x 3x minus plus minus 4 minus 3 1. So 1x is there. So in place of minus x I can write minus 4x plus 3. Now make the pair of 2 from this 2 we can take common only x, so 3x minus 4 is left inside, and from this 2 we can take plus 1 as a common, so in bracket 3x minus 4. So answer is x plus 1 and 3x minus 4. So in question number 4, two numbers sum you have to do by yourself. Now question number 5, factorize. So first one, x cube minus 2x square minus x plus 1. So from these, first of all we will make the pair of 2 from these both. From this first pair we can take x square as a common, so x square common, so in bracket x minus 2, and from this we can take minus 1 as a common. If minus 1 we will take common, so here sign will be changed, so x minus 2. So here x square minus 1 and x minus 2 both, so in x square minus 1's factors are x minus 1 and x plus 1, so this is the answer. Okay friends, question number 2, x cube minus 3x square minus 9x minus 5. We have to factorize this polynomial. So let me see how to factorize this polynomial. As we see in the example, we have to use the factor theorem over here. So first of all, coefficient of first and coefficient of last, multiply this both. So here coefficient nothing is there, so 1, and here coefficient is 5, so 5 ones are 5. So we have to find the factor of 5. Factor of 5 are plus minus 1 and plus minus 5. Now we have to put the value of plus 1 in the polynomial, minus 1 plus 5 minus 5, these all value we have to put in this polynomial, and we have to find the factor. So first of all let us take a. So if we put value of 1 in the x, so answer is minus 16, and value of minus 1, so answer is 0. So minus 1 is equal to 0, so we can say that x plus 1 is a factor of given polynomial. So one factor is x plus 1. Now we will divide the given polynomial with x plus 1, because we already know that x plus 1 is a factor. So now here x cube is there, so in here we want x cube, so multiply this x with x square over here, so x multiply by x square, so x cube. Okay friends, and 1 multiplied by x square, so x square. Now subtraction of these two, so sign will be changed, so x cube cut, minus plus 3x plus 1 4x square, and sign of bigger digit, so here 3x is bigger, so minus 4x square, and from upside minus 9x is coming downside. Now here we want minus 4x square, so here only x is there, so we multiply this with minus 4x because x is there, minus 4x multiplied by x, so minus 4x square, so this 4x square will be cut, so x minus 4x, so x minus 4x square, and 1 minus 4x minus 4x. Now subtraction is there, so change the signs, here plus 4x square cut, minus plus minus 9 minus 4 5, and sign of bigger digit, so minus 5x. Now we have to cut this 5x. If we want to cut this 5x, so here x is there and we want minus 5x, so multiply this with minus 5 multiplied by x, minus 5x, minus 5 multiplied by 1, so minus 5. Okay, both are same, so answer will be 0. So x square minus 4x minus 5 is another factor of the given polynomial, but it is not a simple form. We have to simplify this, we have to factorize this also. So let me see. So this is the polynomial that is given in the question. Factors are x square minus 4x minus 5. Now This in this polynomial we can use splitting the middle term, means 5 ones are 5. So 5 ones are 5. 5 minus 1. 5 minus 1 is 4. So split the middle term. Okay, so minus 5x plus x. In place of 4x we have to write minus 5x plus x, and middle this split it, and we got the answer x plus 1 x minus 5. So factors of the given polynomial are x plus 1 x plus 1 x minus 5. X plus 1 two times, so we can say that x plus 1 square x minus 5 is a factor of the given polynomial. Question number 3, x cube plus 13x square plus 32x plus 20. So first of all, coefficient of these two, 20 multiplied by 1, 20. Factors of 20, plus minus 1, plus minus 2, plus minus 4, plus minus 5, and plus minus 10. Now put minus 1 in the equation. So if we put minus 1 in the given polynomial, so answer is 0. So we can say that x plus 1 is a factor of given polynomial. So x plus 1, we have to divide this polynomial with x plus 1. So polynomial divided by x plus 1. Okay, I divide all things, and in the last answer is 0. So we can, so this one is also a factor of this polynomial. Now we have to splitting this one by the middle term splitting method. So in place of 12x, so 20 ones are 20, 10 twos are 20. So 10x plus 2x. In place of 12x, we have to write down 10x plus 2x. Now take the common, so answer will be x plus 2 and x plus 10. So factors of these given polynomials are x plus 1, x plus 2, x plus 20. Now question number 4 says that same method we have to factorize this 2y cube plus y square minus 2y minus 1. Okay, 2 ones are 2. So factor of 2 are plus minus 1 plus minus 2, and we have to find the value of this polynomial. So this polynomial you have to factorize by yourself. So here we finished our exercise, and from our next video we will move forward. Thank you everyone. Have a nice day.